So you finally realize, you woke up, nobody cares about you. As a man, even for some of you ladies, nobody cares about you. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about what you're going through. Maybe only your mother and your father. Nobody cares about how you feel because they're too busy dealing with their own feelings. Nobody cares about what you want out of life. They're not going to be able to give it to you. Some of them may even want what you want. At what point do you just say to yourself, it's time to do everything hard in my life? If it's hard, you're probably doing the right thing. If it's easy, it's a strong possibility you're doing the wrong thing or you're not doing what's going to benefit you later that you're going to be proud of. You're going to have a great sense of accomplishment later on if you're doing things that's hard. If it's easy, it may not be the same thing. You crying right now. Do it while you're crying. You're frustrated. Do it while you're frustrated. You're tired. Keep doing it. You want to quit. Don't quit. Somebody talking shit. Keep going. Somebody telling you're not going to make it. Keep working. You can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. You're in the tunnel already. Keep going. The road is under construction. Well, do the construction work. Start reconstructing. You don't understand the laws. Read it. You don't have the money. Earn it. You can't figure it out. Give it time. You will. See, don't nobody give a damn about you. I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't give a damn about you. And what I mean by that is, I don't give a damn about the excuses you're making. That's not the real you. Now, you that's going to go out and do everything that you need to do, no matter what. You're not taking no for an answer when it comes to your life, not nobody else's. Don't be an idiot. That's the person who I care about because you rocking with me. Only the greats keep going. And if we don't get there, then we die trying, but we will not stop and settle and say, oh, well, that's not how we do it. That's not going to work because at the end of the day, no one cares anyway. So you might as well go all out. Everything about life is risky. Guess what? You're not going to make it out alive, playboy. You might as well put the work in. You might as well get focused. You might as well up your skill sets. You might as well accept that bullshit job you hate. They paying you for what they think you're valued at. If you did what everybody else around you in that job did, and you expected more pay, your ass is insane. You have a lot of work to do. And let's not get it twisted. Some of us are dealing with this shit that's generational. You've inherited beliefs. Oh, you got a whole lot of work to do. Like myself. Oh, yeah, I had to dismantle a lot of beliefs. I had to dismantle a lot of my psychology when it came to everything about life. But guess what I will stand on and I will always tell myself? Nobody cares. Stop complaining, especially on the internet. They say everybody lying on the internet. I don't know who lying or telling the truth. I really don't care about that either. But for the ones that's listening, nobody care about you. If people make a video to lie, to gain some type of clout, to make money, what the hell you think they care about you for? What are you giving them? I mean, you giving them what they want. Attention. Attention pays. Attention is currency, right? Because that's how people get paid today. Not just content creation. In life, you got to be attentive. People got to be aware of what it is that you're saying and be able to execute a task, to be able to make profit from a product, etc. Like, attention is currency. But you worrying about the wrong thing if you expecting somebody else who don't know you, and for the most part, people who do know you and claim they love you, to care about you to the point where they'll stop dealing with what they got going on in their life to put all their energy on you. You are crazy. Crazy enough to believe people would do that. You better be crazy enough to take care of your own. You is what I mean. And then possibly take care of people who you love. But take care of you first, because you can't take care of them till you take care of yourself. No one cares. That girl you like, she don't care. That friend who you realize you was put more into the relationship than they don't care. The bully who you want to apologize because they made you feel some type of way. That dumbass don't care. The teacher who said you wasn't going to be anything don't care. The racist don't care. The prejudice don't care. The stranger, no one cares. The only person that's going to care is you. The only person that's going to get the job done is you. You can talk the talk all you want. You better get walking. The only way you're going to get from point A to point Z is across every individual letter that proceeds after A. You're not going to skip not one. You might even have to go back and re-walk over some of them. But you're not going to get to the end of that list until you take every step needed. And every step you take, you better have a belief behind that shit that can't nobody disrupt. No one cares, man. I'm not even going to say nobody can work harder. Nobody cares. After you hear that, you're supposed to already know what you need to do. Your country going to shit? Nobody care. President don't care. Governor don't care. Mayor don't care. Nobody cares. Your district attorney, your lawyer don't care. Family don't care. Don't care. Them tears, your tears don't care. It's just water. Wipe it, get back to work. Life will kick your ass. And the only thing you can do is kick it back. But if you don't, it's just going to keep kicking your ass. And make no mistake, while you kick back, it's going to keep kicking. But I'd rather kick back than just get my ass kicked all day. But at the end of the day, even if you decide to not kick back, guess what? Nobody cares. You got to do this for you. All them tears, I hear you. I feel you. I sat in the car and cried plenty times. Nobody cares. You think my daughter care? My daughter loves me. If I come home and say, baby girl, we can't eat tonight because daddy cared about what everybody said about him and felt about him. And I didn't go to work and I didn't do my second job and I didn't do side hustles and I didn't sleep 3 hours because we needed to make money and I didn't do this because... No, she don't care about that. She might say, it's okay, daddy, but when that stomach hurts, she gonna forget all about what I said and say, daddy, I'm hungry. And she gonna end up crying because she's not gonna understand. No, you don't let me starve, daddy. I don't care about your feelings. That's just coming from a man's perspective. That's what happened to be a father and a husband. Everybody got different situations. Man, y'all better understand this. Nobody is coming to save nobody. Superman don't exist. They say all superheroes don't wear capes. That's because it's going to be your ass to be a superhero for yourself and save the day for your own self, not nobody else.